Muhammadu Buhari would on Thursday, May 20, induct the JF-17 Thunder aircraft into the Nigerian Air Force.
In line with the current COVID-19 pandemic protocols, however, the 57th anniversary will be a low-key event, but is structured to enlighten Nigerians of the Nigerian Air Force's efforts in the fight against insurgency, terrorism, and armed banditry in the country. It will therefore feature only three main activities, namely a seminar, induction of a new platform, as well as aerial display by the L-39, Alpha Jet, and the JF-17 Thunder aircraft. However, there will be a series of pre-event activities taking place simultaneously at Nigerian Air Force units across the country.
The theme for this year's celebration is, quote, enhancing Nigeria Air Force air power capabilities for effective joint operation in response to contemporary national security challenges.